Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Hoover tumble dryer is displaying the error code E05. Now, E05 on a Hoover tumble dryer indicates that there is a problem with the front NTC sensor. This sensor measures dryness within the machine and informs the printed circuit board when to stop the drying process. So if it has failed, it is going to need to be replaced to get your machine working properly again. Thankfully, it's reasonably easy to do without calling out a repair professional. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a socket set with a 7mm socket head, a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Next, we need to remove the top of the tumble dryer. And to do that, you need your socket set to remove the 3 screws that hold it in place. Next up, I need to remove the door and the door hinge by using the T20 Torx screwdriver. And then you simply lift the hinge up and the door and hinge come away. Next thing we need to do is to remove the door seal from the front of the machine. Simply pull that away. Now I can remove the control panel by undoing the 2 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. Once the control panel's unscrewed from the appliance, you can then just let it rest on top. We need to remove the front panel here by undoing the 8 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. 4 at the front, 2 at the top, and 2 underneath. But to get to the underneath, we're going to have to remove the bottom front panel using a flathead screwdriver. Gently wedge it in at the sides first, be very careful. And just to release the catches that hold it on, and then you can work it around to remove it from the appliance itself. Taking your time not to damage any of the panels. You can then unscrew the 2 screws at the bottom. Then you can remove all the remaining screws and take the front panel off. With the front panel removed, here we can see the front NTC sensor that's faulty. To take out, remove the electrical connection and then undo the 2 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. You can just simply ease it out. Now, when you have the front NTC sensor out of the machine, just remove this grommet or seal that's on the back of it. Do check that that's in good condition and retain it, because some of the new NTC sensors don't come with this particular seal. And of course, if it is worn or damaged, it will need to be replaced as well. When purchasing a new NTC sensor for your tumble dryer, it's essential that you have your appliance's exact model number. This will ensure that you're getting the right part for your particular machine. If you're in any doubt about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our video here that will give you all the assistance you need. And of course, for new NTC sensors, check out the link in the description below. You can now fit your new front NTC sensor into the tumble dryer, and do remember to fit the grommet or seal onto your new NTC sensor if it didn't come with it. You can put it in the machine, fit the screws, and then reconnect the electrical connection. Once you're happy that it's in place correctly, you can re-screw in the front panel. Now, when refitting the front panel, make sure that any wires are tucked away nice and safely before you screw it into place. You don't want to pinch them against the machine. To refit the bottom front panel, fit the tabs underneath the front panel first, and then simply push in until it clicks into place. You can then fit the control panel into position before screwing back into place. Then you can replace the door seal, which very simply just pushes into the groove, and then you can very satisfactorily push it in all the way around. Next, the door hinge and door. So hook the door hinge into the body of the dryer, then hold in place carefully while you fit the Torx head screws to hold it in place. So there we have it, how to fix the error code E05 on a Hoover tumble dryer. Hopefully your machine is up and running perfectly once more. Now that your machine is good to go, why not make sure you're using it as efficiently as possible as well? Check out our video down here on tumble dryer energy saving tips to learn more. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more things relating to repair guides, appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.